Hello everyone, today we'll discuss the doctrine of severability. With the adoption of the Constitution of India, Part 3 in the form of fundamental rights also came into effect. The fundamental rights are a set of inherent rights which guarantees to every citizen of this country a life of dignified existence and holistic all-round development. Any law that infringes upon these rights is liable to be struck down by the courts. The question, however, arises as to what happens when only a portion of the impugned law is violative of fundamental rights, and it is in instances like these that the doctrine of severability is invoked. All laws in force in India before the commencement of the Constitution, in so far as they are inconsistent with the provisions of fundamental right, shall to the extent of that inconsistency be void. As an extension of Article 13, the doctrine states that when some particular provision of the statute infringes or violates the fundamental rights, but the provision is severable from the rest of the statute, and then only that provision will be declared void by the courts and not the entire statute. The doctrine essentially lays down that if violative and non violative provisions are separated in a way that the non violative provision can exist without the violative provision, then the non violative provision will be upheld as valid and enforceable.